Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to play Steal a Brain Rot, and this train event is going to start in a few minutes. Okay, so I don't know how do we get that 5 thing, I don't know. And this is a very good shop, so we'll try until 9. If we don't get more, if we get 100, we can get a 75 million brain rot. Oh, sold out. Oh shit. Everything is sold out. So as soon as the stock comes, we have to purchase it. So we need some gold elves. I don't know how do we get that. So I'm very excited for that thing. And we got a festive lucky block from here. And yeah, from that festive lucky block, we got a lost 25. 10 million per second. If you didn't watch the video, please go and watch. You can first watch that, like this, and then come to liked videos or search my channel, it will come, and then watch this. This is like I got a lost 25 and I got a festive lucky block from this, in which I got one Santa hotspot. That's also good, which is in my alt now. I'm keeping everything in alt because of I need after I do all the rebirths, I'll bring them back, because always bringing it back and sending it again to the alt is another headache. So here a train is going to come in a minute. Let's just do time pass until that. I'll show you my jumping skill, bruh. I'll show you my jumping skills. Whoa, saw that? Can you jump so high? I guess my subscribers can. Okay, let's just simply keep on jumping around. Oh, I never saw that it was sold out. I was very happy because I think you can get that elves from that train, like going to the North Pole. And oh my god, yes. I'm just jumping over the bases. Let's go. Let's stop. Oh shit. How much time left? So last time I was very excited. This time also I'm very excited. Last time I missed a naughty. Like, imagine missing a naughty, guys. I was so dumb. That was so bad. Okay, it's fine now. We'll stop doing this dumb time pass because the train is coming. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now there will be another countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and that's 1. Train. Oh, I heard the horn. Leaves in 30 seconds. Oh, these brain rots are climbing on the train and going. Why did I buy a trick track baraboom? I don't know why. Leave it anyways. Who cares? Oh, they are climbing over the train. Like, they're going there and now climbing over that. 2 leaves in 2, 1, and it leaves. This time I have to buy everything. Like, everything meaning not like here it stops, so here I should grab it. Grab. It leaves in 3 minutes. 180 seconds, 3 minutes. I want this too. Naughty! I can't leave that again. What the hell? No! Another naughty! Bro, what? What? This is good. Why is it so tough to grab these things? Yo, what the hell? What is this now? This is the cold one. So no, let it go. I don't want this. I want a naughty naughty. I want a naughty naughty. I missed it last time. Now I missed it 2 times. I'm so serious about this. Then I have 215. Yo, this is so casual. You're not supposed to be. I'm taking this until naughty 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 naughty. I'm buying that. Finally, my dream comes true. I could have got 3 naughty naughties. Run, Zulfi, run, Roldex, run, whatever, run. Whatever your name is, run, and that's done. Nothing good is coming. What? Why did I buy this dumb shit? No, that would have gone. Why isn't this lake thing near? A little near. Come on, no! Oh man. Okay, come on. We are back. Santa is coming. Yes, Santa is coming. Santa is coming. He didn't drop any present yet. Why is he just roaming around? Why isn't he dropping any gift? Hey, yo, no. The game is glitching. I can't glitch this. This should not get... Okay, there is a gift there. Okay, so I took 9. I want 9. 1, 2. I'm going to search everywhere. There is nothing in... Yes, he's still roaming. Naughty, yes. Naughty, that's the spirit, man. Come on. There's a gift there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 4 more. 2.4 million, damn. Oh, he left it here 1 and here 1. This is also good. Wow, randomly it just spawned. So I have, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 were... Yes. Okay. Now we have. What is this doing in our base, bro? Get out. Okay, now let's spawn this. We have 500. Please, come on. I need something good.
Lucky block. Lucky block.
Come on, let's see. What do we have to do with the snowballs? Can we give it some mutations or is it something like that? Okay, the festive lucky block is ready. It is ready. Okay, it came here. Opening it. Come on. I need a radio to say to. We got a lost 25 that time. It's opened. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Triplito tralaleritos. It's fine. We'll come back in 2 hours. So we'll come back again after 2 hours for winter hour. Nothing else, right? I don't know how do we get those elves. Let's go. Naughty dream comes true, boy. 2.4 million. The radioactive one. Okay, so guys, that's it for. Or should I do something like what else can I do? Should I just fuse and do some time pass? Okay, let's just fuse. There is nothing spawning, dude. How much do we get if we sell this? Of course, we're not going to. 350 million. That's so trash. Okay, our best is lost 25. Now, currently, it's of course this. This will be our second best. We got so good. These events are good, dude. I like these events. We could have got so many naughty, and we'll buy many radioactive. I didn't know that this used to give some 200k or something, but the radioactive one gives 2.4 million. Wow, that's so great, right? Okay, we'll come back after some time for winter hour or anything like that. Now, I think that's it for this video. This is the event. So I'll get another video of stealing and so that I can rebirth and all that. So keep watching. Goodbye.